Hi, I am Tuğba Çelen Yoldaş. I am a developmental behavioral pediatrician in Turkey. I am excited to talk to you about our study named Comparison of the Parents' Evaluation of Developmental Status and Ages and Stages Questionnaire Developmental Screening Test in a Eurasian country. This study was conducted by the Division of Developmental Pediatrics of Pediatrics Department at Hacettepe University Faculty of Medicine in collaboration with Sağ Children's Hospital. The Parents' Evaluation of Developmental Status (PEDS) and the Ages and Stages Questionnaire (ASQ) are becoming increasingly popular and recommended developmental screening tests in clinical pediatric practice worldwide. Although both the PEDS and ASQ are parent-completed general developmental screening tests, they represent different approaches to gathering parents' observations on their children's development. Despite their quality and convenience in practice, data concerning the performance of developmental screens is based largely on standardization samples, and comparative data about the relative performance of these tools is scarce. Furthermore, the level of agreement between the PEDS and ASQ across the age groups has not been identified to date. The current study aims to compare the screening results of the ASQ and the PEDS in children with a wide range of ages and to evaluate the degree of agreement between the ASQ and the PEDS across the age groups. The study was conducted with the participation of 327 children aged between 3 to 72 months. All children who accessed the health centers during the study period, including those with non-developmental disabilities, were approached to represent a real-world clinical practice setting. The percentage of children with non-developmental disabilities was 16.5%. Parents completed first the PEDS and then the ASQ during the same session. The actual agreement between the PEDS and ASQ was 74% with a concordance represented by Cohen's kappa of 0.42 in the total sample. Based on the p-value associated with the kappa statistic, the PEDS and ASQ agreed more than expected by chance. The concordance rate between the two tests for the population of children without previously known disabilities was 72%. Within the age groups, moderate agreement was found in the 25 to 48 months groups. Fair agreement was found in the younger age groups and 49 to 60 months group. Slight agreement was found in the above 60 months group. This is the first report comparing the PEDS and ASQ in a sample with a wide range of ages and evaluating the degree of agreement between the ASQ and PEDS across the ages. The main result of the study was that the PEDS had moderate agreement with the ASQ and the agreement was higher in children aged 25 to 48 months than for the other ages. We believe that it is important to document these comparisons to spark additional research about the use and choice of these tools in clinical pediatric practice from different continents. The present study also shows the performance of the PEDS and suggests that it could be used to screen children with developmental risk in routine child health care practice in Eurasia, thus supporting the use of such parent-completed developmental tools that should be encouraged for universal screening. Thank you for your attention. I also want to thank my colleagues for their contributions and the families participating in the study.